Good? Okay, yeah, everything's good. Everything's good, everything's good. Okay. It's Baby Dice. Shit, back.
Yo, what's really good, everybody? It's your boy Baby Dice, and I'm back at it like a crack addict with another reaction video. And right now I'm about to check out G Herbo Cat Guns. And this is requested by Justice Muzinski. I think I pronounced that right. I hope so. But yeah, I got you in there into it, but to do it, about to go ahead and dive on into it. Let's see what's happening. Liking that beat already.
I was young and used to think of cap guns back when I was having fun. Now I'm caught up in this rap shit, gambling my life for one. Looking back at shit from my past, it ain't much I haven't done. Trying to learn from mistakes like my last one, cause I got a son. Started off just shooting baskets, then we was ditching classes. Smoking gas and having fist fights, later turned to blasting. Grew up, got immune to madness, you couldn't even imagine. Broski ain't get to see my mansion, I carry this casket. When did time until he got back, I carry this ratchet. I was trapping, ain't a rapping, it stayed in the plastic. Tellin' Broski wear a mask cause it played with his asthma. Gage wasn't even 5'7", he carrying plasmas. Could've went to school in Dallas and played for the Mavericks. Instead I adapted to Essence and stayed with the Savages. Mama said stay where I'm at, don't come back.
Really? G Herbo Cabal? Talking about playing for the Mavericks. Yeah. That's what's up.
With the Savages. Mama said stay where I'm at, don't come back, she ain't having it. Now when she asks for the racks, it's 5K on the average. Look at how they had us. Look at all those tragedies. Hell yeah, we start trapping shit. Look at all us raggedy. Thank my OG for having me. Fried bologna when I had to eat. All of my teens, I was riding street. Now we the richest they got over east. Never forgot who was laughing at me. Never for rap, I was strapped with the heat. Know all the niggas was clapping at me. Never told police what happened to me. 90 hollows when we clapping the G. Never replied to who rapping to me. Never was asking for drama, just stayed in the spot where instead catch me like to the squeeze. Once in the back, he collapsed to his knees. Ain't have to give him that extra 15. If I would've died in my prime, news would've said that he just was a teen. But I was a teen out doing some reckless things. I had a strap in my jeans. Shout out 2013. That's why I lost Kobe and Pee Wee. I kept a glizzy at 23. Folks saw the ops with a 3D. That's my kinfolk, we ain't GD. My chain got rocks like BBs. Maybach seats got TVs. My C-Money rolls with VVs. The op hoes know all my CDs. The ops damn near wanna be me. Gotta go the other way when they see me. If a nigga broke, how you gon' see me? Gay niggas told wild they need me. I be everywhere, probably Bahini. Bitches partying all in bikinis. Baby, I don't even drink martinis. Zoddy pack got a head like a genie. Smoking back from my stress, let it ease me. Gotta make this ball shit look easy. But you know it's everything but easy. Money over everything, it please me. Money going everything, gon' leave me. What was there before my watch was freezing? To get what they want, watch them deceive me. They don't even know me how they believe me. Sometimes I be thinking from me to me. It be hard for somebody else being me. Back and forth trying to balance the ends. My lovers and friends, I'm caught in a frenzy. Thinking what my mama was saying about all of my friends. Now all of them dead. Wishing I can call them again, do it all again, but it's all in my head. Was it really wrong we did? If we ain't go as hard as we did, probably all will be dead. Lean on each other, came through for another, that's all that we hear. They don't understand, so call them my lawyer again, that's all that we said. Everywhere we stand, the people was on us for playing them corners again, but they don't understand.
Fuck with it. Yep. Absolutely on this one. 3 thumbs up. 1, 2, definitely that 3. If it'll let me do. Thank you. Yeah, definitely 3 thumbs up, man. Shit was dope, man. Shout out to Justice Muzinski for putting me on to it. I appreciate you. That shit was dope. You know what I'm saying? Real shit as always. Like, you know what I'm saying? It seems like one of those kind of, what do you call it? Reminiscent? Would you say it was reminiscent? Not really. You know what I'm trying to say, though. It's just like one of those just kind of recollection kind of tracks where it's like, you know, just kind of talking about what he think about. Like, you know what I'm saying? I could dig it. I respect it. I liked it. Thank you for fucking up my lighting. That's probably better, though, isn't it? I don't know. Is this better? I don't know. I'm just trying this out. You know what I'm saying? My whole setup is ghetto as shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no professional shit cracking. So that's why my videos look the way they do. Sometimes they're bright, sometimes they're not. Like, I fucking experiment with this shit. Enough about me. G Herbo goes hard, as always. Paul is like, you know what I'm saying? But all his music goes hard. Like, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with almost everything he does. You know what I'm saying? Every now and again he might sound offbeat. Not on this one at all. But sometimes it happens. Sometimes it doesn't. But I fuck with everything he does. It's like, you know. And to actually dissect and comment on the actual content of his music, it's like it can become repetitive because he kind of has a lane and he kind of stays in it. You know what I'm saying? So there's not really much I could say about this song that I couldn't say about like a whole grip of other songs. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm not yada yada in his shit. Like, you feel me? Like, you know, you might feel that way if you watch like a lot of my videos back to back, and you know what I'm saying, if you're constantly listening to the same artist that I'm reacting to. After a while, it might seem like I'm coming up with less and less to say about what I just heard or saw. It's not the case. It's just that I don't like repeating myself, like, you know, saying the same things. And so anything that I can say about this song, I've said already on other G Herbo songs. You feel what I'm saying? So with that said, shit was dope. 3 thumbs up. Shout out to Justice for putting me on to it. Shout out to G Herbo for doing it. But that's it for this video. It's your boy Baby Dice. I'm up out of here, man. Early.